Powell's Metal Sales with a smile on her face.
Powell's Metal Sales in Hopkinsville, Kentucky. All right, Stephen, what did you just find out?
I found out I'm good to go.
Well, you found out you're good to go. What does that mean?
He told me just cut it out and re-weld it and I'll be good to go.
What now? Explain.
He said if I'm planning on go ahead and cutting it off and rebuilding it, there'd be no sense adding metal. He said just grind this down, grind all this broken weld out and re-weld it. That's what he told me. Since I'm going to take it all off and rebuild it anyway.
So he said that you're okay.
No sense investing money in something I'm going to cut out anyway.
All right, so this is where we are right here, Powell's